Has China lied about coronavirus? There is a hashtag trending on Twitter. China lied and people died. The questions which arise in our mind are, is coronavirus one of the biological weapons used by China? Is it a man-made virus? Was it developed in Wuhan laboratory? Is the Chinese government hiding something big from the world? Is coronavirus intensely spread? But have you ever wondered that a virus or chemical could also be used as a weapon against the world? So grab your coffee and sit back as I speak of the unspoken things. Biological weapons, when we hear it for the first time, the word itself sounds threatening. But what are they? Does it do more damage than the actual wars? So basically we are talking about a war with no... To answer these questions, there are 4 facts which indicate China is being guilty. Point number 1. China's very own scientists claim it to be a bioweapon. The first doctor and scientist who told about the existence of coronavirus has vanished and probably killed. Point number 2. The epicenter of the virus, Wuhan, has a large biolab, and here they test every single virus that comes into existence. It's said that the virus somehow infected someone in the range of the lab and spread out. After all that, those scientists of the lab have vanished somewhere, either killed by the government or killed by the virus. Point number 3. China has always been telling lies to the world about the stats of number of deaths due to coronavirus, which can be clearly noticed from this graph. Point number 4. Few days back, a newspaper published that China has been teaching Pakistani soldiers the tactics of bio-war to use against India. These all somehow linked to the fact that coronavirus is a bioweapon. The term biological warfare is a cool name for biological agents to damage an opponent's country. A recent example is the Tiddy or locust attack. According to news channels, it was something planned by the all-time rival of India, Pakistan, to ruin Indian crops. If we talk about past, I'm sure you must have heard about smallpox. It was one of the first biological weapons used by Americans in French and Indian wars. Americans secretly distributed blankets used by smallpox patients among the opponent soldiers. The result was deadly and became the reason for America's win. It is considered as one of the deadliest weapons used till date. Now talking about the present scenario, we all know that whole world is suffering from the devastating effects of coronavirus. And between all this, countries like US and many other European countries blame China for the pandemic. But did China really use coronavirus as a biological weapon? We cannot prove it. But one thing we can surely say, it indeed made situation in many countries devastating. And it is still killing population in the rest of the world. And China, where it all started, it has healed and is now corona-free. How is this possible? But on a brighter side, recently, Indian Council of Medical Research has claimed to launch a vaccine for clinical trials by August 15. It has given us a hope to come out of this pandemic. One more thing which becomes important to mention is the use of plastic during this whole pandemic. Plastic bags were finally being banned, but surgical masks, gloves, protective equipments, and body bags, the COVID-19 crisis has resulted in a rapid expansion in the use of plastic products. So please try to reuse, recycle, and reduce the use of plastics. And let's just hope that we find the coronavirus vaccine soon and we go back to our daily normal lives. So that's all for now. Keep your thinking caps on. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Comment down your thoughts. See you soon in another interesting video. Till then, take care, stay safe, sayonara.